Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of Dracielshield7-60D dot. But yeah, this is the Hasbro version. It's been besides burst, but like in this type of box, it's been 24 years. And God damn it. Next year, when this Hasbro Beyblade Plastic Gen stuff will turn 25 years old, I'll be 30. That's saying something. I'm old. But yeah. But before I get into this, I'll be unboxing these guys. So I have parts, basically. $5, Five Below. I got two just for the parts and just for Hexa. But yeah, let's go. Okay, parts. Okay, I actually do like the screen. I want them to do it, make it like some more colors for this guy. And I can actually see which one is heavier, too, for competitive use. Okay, there we go. I already have boxes for these guys, so I'm not worried about breaking them. Okay. Ow. Here's 370 Hexa. And just another one, just in case if I break it. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Oh shit. Don't tell me how to put stickers on, but yeah. Let's get into this guy. Let's get my Karambit. Foldable Karambit. Oh, shit. Keep the box. Yes, I'm keeping boxes. Oh, oops. Wrong one. Yeah, at least wrong side. God damn it. Let's go. Oh. Okay, don't tell me I have to put stickers on. And shit. Okay, have to put stickers on. God damn it, I hate when they have to put stickers on, but yeah. Ooh, that was the tweezers, so yeah. Let me put these together and get right back to you guys. Actually, let's open this first. Okay, there we go. The Hasbro version. The Draciel. So clear. Here's QR code. I still need to sign my QR code. And the basic light launcher. Absolutely trash. Let's skip the tip. Really happy to get this guy in my collection. There we go. I'm probably going to get another one of these just for the screen. 760 and dot. But yeah, let's get the stickers on right now. Okay, I'm back. That was a pain. It's been a while. But yeah. There we go. There's Draciel and more parts. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And good.